Let's cook in the kitchen. Cooking verbs. Bake. Bake. Baking is cooking the food slowly in the oven. Boil. Boil. Boiling is cooking something in hot liquid until it forms bubbles and steam. Slice. Slice. Slicing is cutting of anything eatable into thin and flat pieces. Simmer. Simmer. Simmer is a way of cooking things gently on the stove. Grill. Grill. Grilling is a cooking on a special outdoor stove which has fire underneath. Fry. Fry. Frying is a cooking in a pan with hot oil or butter. Grate. Grate. Grating is like using a special tool that have tiny teeth for turning food into tiny pieces. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something tightly to get the juice out. Pour. Pour. Pour is tipping of a bottle or a jug to let the liquid inside flow out in a steady way. Mix. Mix. Mixing is stirring of different food ingredients together. Peel. Peel. Peeling is removing the outer layer of fruit or a vegetable to get to the soft and yummy part inside. Knead. Knead. Kneading is like playing with dough to make pizza or bread. Spread. Spread. Spread means putting food like butter or jam onto bread with the help of knife or spoon.